This video will help you understand IMAAC products for a nuclear detonation event. Nuclear detonations involve either an improvised nuclear device, or IND, or a nuclear weapon that detonates and creates a nuclear yield. A nuclear yield is the result of splitting or fission of radioactive materials such as uranium-235 and plutonium-239. 4 types of energy are released: a blast wave, intense light and heat, which is called thermal energy, initial radiation, and delayed radiation, which is also called fallout. There are a few important aspects of nuclear detonations to keep in mind. Fatalities from the combined effects of blast damage, thermal energy, and initial radiation occur very close to the location of the detonation, or ground zero. For example, for a 10 kiloton detonation, the damage zones where building damage is caused by the blast and shock waves may extend a few miles from ground zero. In contrast, the airborne cloud of radioactive particles will be carried farther downwind, causing fallout as the material settles on the ground. As the airborne cloud of particles travels downwind and deposits on the ground, the fallout contamination footprint will grow. At the same time, the short-lived radionuclides resulting from the nuclear detonation will decay quickly, so the simultaneous effects of deposition and decay will result in a footprint that grows to a maximum downwind extent, then begins shrinking. The airborne plume will be gone quickly, in hours, but ground contamination will be measurable for a long time. The ground contamination will be easy to detect with off-the-shelf radiation survey meters like Geiger counters. For the first few days, the external dose from the ground contamination, which is called ground shine, will be the most significant health hazard related to fallout. To communicate the rapidly shrinking fallout areas, some IMAAC products are provided as a time series of plots. This example shows an executive briefing product that demonstrates how the affected area shrinks as time passes. In the event of a nuclear detonation, IMAAC can generate the following types of products: fatalities and casualties from prompt effects and fallout, building damage zones, sheltering or evacuation areas, dose rates to estimate doses to responders, and longer-term impacts such as areas that may warrant population relocation or agricultural embargoes. Our other videos in this training series provide more information on each of these types of products. These are some of the key aspects of nuclear detonation events to understand when interpreting IMAAC products. For more information on IMAAC modeling, please view our other videos in this training series or visit fema.gov/IMAAC.